Hello friends, and welcome to your grammar lesson. This week we are comparing with the base words good and bad. That might sound really simple right away, but what I want you to notice moving forward is how often these words are misused and said incorrectly. Don't call people out on it because that's embarrassing, but just notice it. So our first bullet point says good and bad have irregular, comparative, and superlative forms. Think of that word irregular sometimes as a hint that you have to change the spelling of the base word. So for example, today we're practicing with the base word good, but we don't say gooder or goodest. We have to change that base word to become better or best, but it still all goes back to that base word of good. Second bullet point says, use better to compare two people, places, or things. Use best to compare more than two. So if I was going to compare this marker and this pen, this marker is better than this pen. I use better because I'm only comparing two things here. But if I'm comparing this marker to this pen and this other marker, this marker is the best because now I'm comparing it to three things, two or more things. Let's look at what you're going to be doing today. I'm going to do one problem for you to help you out. So your directions say to read each sentence, choose which word in parentheses best completes the sentence, and then write your answer on the line provided. So number one says, Mom wanted a better, best storage system for her tools. So here we're looking at, okay, am I going to use the word better? Am I going to use best? So we have to figure out how many things are we comparing here? Well, you have to think critically a little bit on this one. She has a current, using my hands like you can see, she has this current storage system over here that's not working for her. So she wants to get a different one. So we'd be comparing what she currently has to what she wants to get. That would be two things. So we would choose the word better. She wants a better storage system for her tools. She wants something that's better than the one she already has. So we'd be comparing two. Oops, let me get out of here. Should I do one more for you? I mean, why not? So number two, let me make this big. Nope, because you're going to see what I really look like right now, and we can't be having any of that. So number two says, she searched for the better, best carpenter in town. So again, we're looking at, am I choosing better or best? But she's looking for the top one out of all the other carpenters in town. All of the other people that do that job in her town. So she'd be comparing one person to all of these other people. So we'd be using the word best here. She searched for the best carpenter in town. If you ever get stuck also, we've practiced this in class, say the sentence with both of them and see which one sounds right. Mom wanted a better storage system for her tools, or Mom wanted a best storage system for her tools. Better sounds better. Number two, she searched for the better carpenter in town, or she searched for the best carpenter in town. Best sounds correct. We also know that because she is comparing one carpenter to all the others. So you're just going to go through and do numbers 3 through 8 that exact same way.